Here's the problem. 9 out of 10 drivers in this country have no idea that their vehicle has built-in features that could save them some major money on repairs or potentially save their lives. Yet, they continue to ignore these features every single day. Before you spend any more money, listen to these 17 features you didn't even know existed. Trust me, do not skip. This is for your own benefit. Let's starting with number 17. Secret number 17, hidden door and fob locks. Picture this, it's pitch black outside. You're standing next to your car and your key fob battery has died. It's a scary moment for anyone, but you don't need to feel helpless. Inside that fob is a built-in mechanical key that you can access by clicking a little button on the back or side and simply pulling the blade out of the bottom. What's even better is your car often has a hidden lock as well. It's normally located behind a plastic piece near the edge of the driver's side handle. So don't worry about being stranded next to your vehicle, because if you're stranded at midnight, this one secret right here is going to save you hundreds of dollars on a locksmith call. Secret number 16, the traction control button. You know that button on your console with the little car and the lines under the tires that look like squiggles? That is your traction control system. But when should you use it or turn it off? Traction control prevents your wheels from spinning when you accelerate on slippery roads, loose gravel, or icy conditions. It's a true lifesaver that reduces your engine's power and activates the braking force to keep you stable. Now here's the twist. If you're stuck in deep snow or mud, traction control will act against you by stopping power when you need those wheels to spin to gain traction and get you unstuck. You can click the button to disable it temporarily. Just remember to turn it back on after you're free. Speaking of buttons that save you money, let me tell you about secret number 15, turning off lane warning forever. Let's just start with that annoying beep and jerking of the steering wheel when your lane departure warning goes off. What you don't know is that there is actually a button that allows you to turn that feature off and customize just how much control you're willing to give your car. It will keep you in your lane, but it could be distracting. For many, nothing ruins a nice drive quite like having your car correct you every single second. So you might need to dig into your infotainment system to turn this one off, but it's worth it. Secret number 14, the air conditioner's best-kept secret. That little button with the car and the circular arrow inside? Well, it isn't just there to look good. That button acts like a shield that blocks your interior air from the outdoor pollution and exhaust fumes. Not only does this keep your air cleaner, but it actually gives your AC up to a 20% boost. This will keep your car cooler and require less work from your AC, potentially making your air filter last longer too. That's money back in your pocket right there. Secret number 13, steering wheel adjustment lever. Do you ever feel like you're too far from the steering wheel or that you have to stretch to reach it? Stop being uncomfortable. There's an easy fix, and it's directly under your steering wheel column. It's just a little lever that you pull, which will allow you to move your steering wheel in and out, or up and down, to the position that's most comfortable for you. It isn't just about comfort, though. It's about safety. With proper positioning, you're able to see all of your gears, and your airbag will properly align to protect you in the event of an accident. Do not be like the 40% of people who drive other vehicles exactly as they were, regardless of how comfortable they are. Adjusting your steering wheel will only take you a second, and your body will thank you on your next drive.
Secret number 12.
The sun visor extension. Nothing is more annoying than having the sun glare directly in your eyes when you're driving. That little moment of not being able to see can be very dangerous, and it happens often at sunrise and sunset. But you don't have to suffer through it. What most drivers miss is that their sun visors often slide out to provide that extra coverage on the sides. All you have to do is unclip it and pull it to the length you need.
Before we move on to the really good ones, do me a favor and hit that like button. We put a lot of work into these videos to keep bringing you that content you want to see. Done? Let's move along. Secret number 11, the hazard light double tap. Your hazards have more uses than just signaling an emergency. In modern cars, your hazards actually have other settings to signal for other drivers to be cautious. If you double-click, your hazards might actually flash in a unique pattern that can even look like bright beams depending on your vehicle model. So check your manual and see if your hazards are smarter than you think. Secret number 10, arrow pointing to fuel cap location. We've all been there. We're in a strange car or a rental car, and we pull into a gas station only to realize that we have no idea which side of the car the gas cap is on. It's frustrating to guess and pull in on the wrong side, but the answer to that problem is right on your dashboard next to the gas pump icon. There's a little arrow pointing right or left, which indicates which side the gas cap is on for that vehicle. That simple feature has been in cars since the 1990s, yet half of the drivers out there don't even know it's there. Wait until you see how this next feature can prevent a $3,000 repair. The gas cap holder. This one is so simple, but it's a real game changer. Take a look at the inside of your gas door the next time you are filling up. Most people think it's a random little notch, but that notch is there to hold your gas cap while your pump is running. Why? Because you shouldn't let that cap hang or put it on your roof, where it could easily pick up debris that could enter your fuel system and clog your fuel injectors. That minor oversight is going to cost you roughly $3,000. So use that simple little notch, because only 5% of drivers actually use it. Secret number 8, opening windows with your key fob. In the summer, it's no secret that the inside of your car gets unbearably hot. It's uncomfortable to get into your car when it's that warm inside, but your key fob can actually help you with that. Many vehicles have a feature where holding down the unlock button for a few seconds will make all your windows go down automatically. This will let all that heat out so that it's comfortable when you get in. How cool is that? Secret number 7, shift lock override. Imagine that your car's battery is dead, but you're directly in the middle of a major intersection and you can't even shift the car into neutral to push it out of the road. Believe it or not, many people don't know that under a little plastic piece near your shifter, there is a mechanism that allows you to release the shifting lock, manually putting it into neutral. It doesn't matter what your vehicle's make and model is, this mechanical lock is in every single automatic vehicle and is there to get you to safety. Secret number 6, dimmer tab for glare control. If you have ever driven at night and been distracted by the headlight glare from the vehicles behind you in your rearview mirror, you're going to love this simple little feature. Your mirror has a tab on the bottom that you can flip to dim the headlights and glare that are directly in your line of sight. It's a simple little tilt to the reflection that makes a world of difference for your comfort and safety. Secret number 5, your dashboard warnings of icy roads. Roughly 156,000 accidents in a year in the US alone are caused by icy road conditions, but you can easily prevent being one of those accidents. Your vehicle is actually already warning you about those roads, but you probably never even noticed the symbol. It's a little snowflake with some roads underneath of it, and when it comes on, you can be sure that the temperatures are cold enough for ice to be on the roads. Secret number 4, glow-in-the-dark trunk latch. This is an emergency escape that US law has required for every passenger vehicle manufactured after 2002. Inside of every trunk is a glow-in-the-dark lever that is brightly colored, so that if you ever find yourself trapped in a trunk, you just need to pull it and you will be free. That simple handle is a major lifesaver in worst-case scenarios.
Secret number 3.
Hidden under-the-seat storage compartments. You may not have noticed, but many SUVs, trucks and minivans have hidden compartments under the floor and under the seats that are perfect for storage and hidden valuables. They maximize the storage space in your vehicle and are completely out of view. Some are so cleverly camouflaged that even the person who owns the vehicle never notices that they're there. Secret number 2, speed-sensitive volume control. You know when you're driving down the highway and you have to turn up your radio, but then when you get in town and slow down, it's screaming at you? Well, that is speed-sensitive volume control doing its work. The system learns your listening preferences over time and adjusts the noise level to match your preferences and your driving habits. That means you spend less time fiddling with the volume on your screen, and you can reduce distracted driving. It's a total safety win.
Secret number 1, doors that automatically lock. The last feature, and arguably the most important of them all, for modern vehicles that have key fobs, you often have a setting that will make your car door lock once the fob is out of range. That means that you don't have to worry if you have locked your vehicle. It offers peace of mind to so many. All you have to do is access your vehicle's menu to activate this feature. Now, how many of these did you already know? Drop a comment below. And if this video saved you from some very expensive repair costs or just taught you something valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Your wallet will thank you later. There's plenty of other tricks to talk about that mechanics don't want you to know.